Hello everyone. Today let us discuss simultaneous equation in 3 unknown. Simultaneous equation in 3 unknown means there will be 3 equations in which 3 variables will be present. Let us name it x, y and z. To find a solution to this simultaneous equations with 3 unknowns, we have to assign values to x, y and z. For this purpose, we have to eliminate any one of the 3 unknowns by taking 2 pairs of equations, either equation 1 and 2, 2 and 3 or 1 and 3. So after eliminating one unknown, we will get 2 equations with 2 unknowns or 2 variables. We have already discussed how we will find solution to simultaneous equations with 2 unknowns. Through those steps, we will find the value of the 2 unknowns, and after getting the value of these 2 variables, we will substitute it in any one of the 3 equations and will find the value of the third unknown. These are the steps through which we solve a simultaneous equation with 3 variables. Let us take an example and try to solve a simultaneous equation in 3 unknowns. Here I have taken 3 equations 1, 2 and 3. The first equation is x plus y minus z is equal to 4. Second one is x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to minus 6. Third equation is 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 7. Now there are 3 unknowns in these equations x, y and z. Now let us eliminate the unknown z from the equations. For that, first of all, I am taking equation 1 and equation 3, and we can say that the coefficient of z in both these equations are 1. So we can eliminate the variable x easily. Let us add equation 1 and equation 2. Then we will get x plus 2x is equal to 3x, y plus 3y is equal to 4y, minus z plus z gives 0. So x gets eliminated. 4 plus 7 will give 11. So we will form a new equation, a fourth equation, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 11. Again, let us take equation 1 and 2 and we will eliminate z. We can see that the coefficient of z in equation 1 and 2 are not the same. In order to make it same, let us multiply equation 1 with 3. So equation 1 becomes 3x plus 3y minus 3z equal to 12. Now we can see that the coefficient of z becomes the same in both the equation 1 and 2, that is 3. So we can easily eliminate z by adding both the equations. By adding the equations, we will get 4x plus y equal to 6. So a new equation is formed, a fifth equation. So now we are having 2 equations with 2 unknowns, that is fourth equation and fifth equation. Now let us take fourth equation and fifth equation, solve them and find the value of x and y. So in this we can say that the coefficient of x and y are not same in these two equations. So let us eliminate the unknown y and making the coefficient of y same in both the equations. Let us multiply equation 5 with 4. So we will obtain equation 5 as 16x plus 4y equal to 24. Now the coefficient of y in equation 4 and 5 becomes the same. Let us eliminate y by subtracting equation 4 from equation 5. Then we will get 16x minus 3x will give 13x. 4y minus 4y becomes 0. 24 minus 11 becomes 13. So we will obtain 13x is equal to 13. From that we can find the value of x is equal to 13 divided by 13, that is equal to 1. Now let us substitute x is equal to 1 in either equation 4 or 5. Here I am substituting x equal to 1 in equation 4. Then we will get 3 into 1 plus 4y is equal to 11. 4y is equal to 11 minus 3, y is equal to 8 divided by 4, which gives us 2. So here we get the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Now let us substitute the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 in either one of the three equations given in the beginning. Here I am substituting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 in equation 1. Then we will get 1 plus 2 minus z equal to 4. From that we will get 3 minus z is equal to 4 minus z is equal to 4 minus 3. That is minus z is equal to 1. Therefore we will get z is equal to 1 divided by minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. So here we gets the solution to the simultaneous equation in three variable, that is value of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to negative 1. Like this we solve a simultaneous equation in three unknown. Thank you.